Okay, hello everyone, my name is Faye, and in this particular video, we gonna talk about procedures, okay? This is your exercises, but we're gonna jump there later. We go to, I think the best thing to explain for you procedures and functions by seeing the code. As you can see in the previous video, I said to you about functions is that the function is always returning something. Meanwhile, procedures not always returning uh, value. It doesn't return anything. Okay, that's what a procedure is. So this is the template you will get for procedure. Procedure name, parameters. The only difference between procedure and function is just the return value. Procedure doesn't return anything, okay? So in your Golang, it's the same. We said the thing I said before, but in Golang, you change the function by procedure. My bad, I've not changed this at first. So procedure name, parameters, dictionary, algorithm, and procedure. That's the template you will get. What's the difference between procedure and function? You doesn't have a return value in your algorithm, and you doesn't have a parameters. You don't have a return type and return value. That's the difference between procedure and function. And for example, procedure mainly used to printing. Okay, you have a final project, or you guys call it tugas besar. You will always do this menu, and it's using a procedure because it doesn't return anything. It can be return something, but not in every condition. Okay, it doesn't return anything. Okay, and the main difference in your parameters, it describe, is it an in out value or is it just in value? You will see only like this out value where the value is inside the procedure, and it will make the difference in your own main program. So what is this in and in out parameter? So let me explain to you in a simple way. In meaning inside, in out meaning inside and out. Okay, so inside means that that variable will only change inside your procedure. Okay, meanwhile in out parameters will change inside and outside your procedure. That's the simplest way I can explain to you. Maybe you guys can understand it more technically by reading something, and it will say this is pass by value and pass by reference. It has many correlation with memory store in your computer, but that is my simplest way to understand in and in out choices. So in this procedure, in this example procedure, it have it has a restaurant in parameters, which is will only change inside this procedure, and in out choices will change outside this procedure. Okay, if we go to the actual implementation about procedure, I have this example for you in Golang. Okay, so if you see in or in out in your pseudocode templates, what you do in your Golang, look at line 12, I have parameters with asterisk data type. Okay, so this mean choice is a in out parameters. Okay, so I make two procedures. The first one is a menu procedures which will get a user's inputs about choice. It will change the choice value outside this procedure. Okay, outside this procedure, every choice variables will change. Okay, so it's not like, let's say if you have choice here, it will say no, how this value passed is like this. You have these parameters, okay? Choice parameter. You change the choice parameter according to user input, okay? So what the program does, this is what the procedure do. It changes the choice value in the procedure. But when you call it from main, you see this, okay? You see choice, and you see it using an ampersand symbol, ampersand choice. That's a in-out parameters. And inside the procedure, when you change the choice, it changes this main variable called choice. And when you call another procedure using the same variables, which is choice, we see here is a choice process. You call choice here, it already been changed by the menu procedures. Okay, that's how this program works. So in your choice process, this choice, this choice, this choice, this choice, this choice, this choice, everything has been changed by the menu procedures. Okay, so to give you another point of view, let's run this code. Procedures need. Okay, so this this is what your tubes will be. You have a menu and feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4. And after that, you choose one of your feature and it will call a function, activate a function. If the function will call another function, that's why we use function and procedures in your list. Okay? This. If I choose to, chicken cordon bleu is a breaded and fried chicken breast stuffed with ham and Swiss cheese served with a creamy Dijon sauce. That's what this program do, okay? It giving the description about the menu you wants to know. Okay, so that's about procedure. I can use this slide, but I think that's the simplest way I can give you for an explanation. And that's all from me. See you next time.